Hello, today I will show you how to create a free Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile allows businesses and organizations to manage their identity on the internet across Google. It is very easy to use. Now I will show you how to create a Google Business Profile. First, visit google.com/business page and login. Click Manage Now. Start filling in the missing information. First, add your business. Then, enter your business name. Add location, so customers know where your business is located. Add your address to verify your location. Add your service area. Add your website to show or promote your work. Then, Google will send you a code in your email. Use this code to verify your business. This way, you create a business profile on Google and enable your customers to find you more easily.